Guys, I'll try to make something clear, is that when I make a video, I'm not speaking from theory or maybes or kind ofs or, oh, we need to study this and analyze. No, I'm speaking from what is. I'm speaking from function. I'm speaking from reality. I'm speaking from how the ocean crashes and you see it, and that's exactly what happens from what now is. Let's just start with this. So when I talk, I'm not talking about ideas. I'm not talking about frameworks. I'm talking from what is. I'm talking about the source of reality and exactly how it works. So when I speak of quantum mechanics, I'm not saying, oh, maybe quantum mechanics is, no, I'm saying quantum mechanics is this. You are quantum mechanics. You're not separate from it. You are it. And the reality functions on it. And it is bent by the density of the observer. So when I speak of probability fields, I'm not saying, oh, maybe there's this theory that unites everything. No, I'm saying this is exactly why your reality functions the way it is. It is bent by density, and you are not separate from existence, because all existence is one whole ocean that is always crashing and interacting with each other. So I'm speaking from function. And what men usually do is they intellectualize it. They talk about concepts. They read books and study it, and they dissect it, and they worship it, but they don't do anything with it. They don't move with it. They don't understand that reality is not something you dissect infinitely, it's something you be. And so this is where they make their eternal mistake of just being sterile. They don't do anything. And you see this exactly reflected in the modern world. Men are obese. They don't move. They don't have children. Their world is decaying, and they just sit here and poke at the bear, poke at God, poke at the reality, and they don't be it. So it's like, what is the point? And another thing is, when I say these things, you're supposed to use it, and you're supposed to walk as it. You're not just supposed to talk about it, infinitely discuss about it, because then you're useless. Guys, when you understand the fundamental nature of reality, you have the key that can open the door. You don't just talk about the key. You don't dissect it and self-worship yourself. You move with it, because the key to reality is what can fix reality. Your reality, as we speak, is broken, it's decaying, it's falling apart. People are dying, people are getting assassinated, people are getting stabbed on trains, and you can prevent these things. But it only works if you bring the key to the right door. So it's not something you infinitely talk about. I'm not here to just talk about things forever. I'm here to move. You're either moving with me or not. So when men sit here and just talk about infinitely, what they're basically saying is, I'm delay, I don't move, I'm not real, I don't want to bend reality. I just want to sit here on my couch and eat my potato chips and comment on TikTok and scroll infinitely and not change the world, not do anything that will help people or fix society or allow your civilization to go from type 0.72 Kardashev scale to type 6, conquer the universe. So again, TLDR, when I say things, I'm not speaking from my opinion or value or frameworks or theories. I'm saying from what is, from the source. From if you look at reality, this is exactly how it works. It bends to mass, it bends to density. Quantum mechanics is not something you infinitely dissect, something you be, because you're not separate from it. Reality is not separate from it. Your breath is not separate from you, because they're the same thing, just in different reflections. So again, this is not opinion, this is not value, this is not framework, this is what is, and you move with it or you drown in it and get left behind while your civilization slowly decays. That's all I'll say.